In the quest for a polished and cohesive look, accessorizing is an indispensable skill. When done correctly, using accessories can elevate any outfit from mundane to magnificent. Here's a guide on how to use accessories to not just complete an outfit but also accentuate your body type. Belts are a versatile accessory that can add definition and shape to your silhouette. For those with an hourglass figure, a belt can be used to highlight the natural curve of your waist. Wide belts work well as they can balance proportions. For individuals with a rectangular body shape, belts can create an illusion of a well-defined waist. Cinching a belt at the narrowest part of your waist can give your body an hourglass-like effect. Petite individuals might prefer skinny belts, which don't overwhelm a smaller frame, while tall figures can experiment with wider belts to break up their height. Statement pieces are another powerful accessory. These can be anything from bold necklaces to oversized earrings or a dazzling clutch. Use statement pieces to direct attention to areas you wish to emphasize. For example, a statement necklace can draw the eye upward, making it an excellent choice for those wanting to highlight their neckline. Long, dangling earrings can elongate the neck, adding a touch of grace and elegance. Scarves are both functional and fashionable, offering another layer of style. For apple-shaped bodies, a scarf can be used to draw attention upwards, thus balancing out a wider midsection.